Hey guys, what's up? We got another box break here for Jay. So we get this 2010-11 Ultimate Collection Basketball. Box number right there. Hopefully getting something good. He got that nice Earl Monroe limited last time. So hopefully something good in here. I forgot how this works. I think it's just straightforward. Okay. Larry Johnson, David Robinson, Mark Jackson, and Steve Alford. Big game signatures, numbered to 75. Indiana guy right there. He's a big player back in the day. Played underneath Bobby Knight. I think he's the coach at Iowa now. Basketball team. But Steve Alford, big game signatures, numbered to 75. Alright, buddy, I appreciate it. I'll get this stuff out to you tomorrow, man. Thanks a lot.